my name is Clay. Today I'll be going over the proper steps to setting up the 6-burner stove. At the end of the gas line, there is a regulator with the male quick connector. You'll see the outer and inner lip. Make sure that it is not dented. On the propane tank, you're going to find a female connector. Pull the ring back and plug in the male connector. Now, you have to check for gas leaks. Turn the tank's valve to release the gas. Take a spray bottle, mix with soapy water, and go ahead and spray the connectors. If you see air bubbles popping, there's a leak. If you have a leak, determine which connector is popping so that you can inform customer service. Be sure to turn off the tank and disconnect the gas line. If there's no leak at the tank, spray the gas lines on the stove. If there's no leak there, you can move on. One more note on the propane tank. Be sure to keep it as far from the unit as the gas line will let you. Check that all the knobs are set to the off position. At the stove, remove the surface burner grates on the first row. Now, light each individual pilot with your hand torch. When returning the grates to their original position, you may notice small feet sticking out on the left and right side of the grate. Make sure these feet return to the left and right side of the stove. You'll even see a small dent on the stove for the feet to go into. Returning the grates with the flat side sticking out will cause the grates to sit unevenly on the stove. Notice the small gap between the stove and the grate? This can cause a gas blockage and can also slow down your cooking time. Turn the knobs one by one to light the burners. And your stove is ready to cook. From here, you can adjust accordingly. To operate the oven, you'll need to use the black knob and red igniter button. Push and hold the red igniter button for about 15 seconds. Open the oven door and light the pilot in the center opening with your burner. Hold the red igniter button for about 10 more seconds before letting go. Adjust the temperature and the oven is ready to cook. Take a look behind the stove and give the air vent a tug to ensure it's properly ventilated. When you are done, be sure to turn off all the knobs, the propane tank, and remove the gas line from the tank. Thank you for renting with us.